Hello, it's Thursday morning, 2nd of September, and this is Rhapsody Clicks. We're still celebrating the #1 devotional in all the world. If you're not yet a partner with the Rhapsody Realities, then I want you to join me today. Click on the link. Today's Rhapsody Realities talks about something important. Now, you think about it. When you're a policeman, you are assigned to a particular state, and your powers and your operations is limited to that state. If you have to move from one state to another, you would need special permit to move. But the IG of the police force has limitless power. That means he can go from state to state. Now, this is talking about geographical locations. Think about it. The name of Jesus has all power in all geographical location, but also in time, in this age and in the age to come. Discover more in today's Rhapsody Realities. Have a great day. God bless you.